She makes a face like she doesn't like it, but then she'll open her mouth for more. Hi. And then give her some time to chew it and see if she opens her mouth, like, because when I fed her the one time she would open her mouth when I bring the spoon by. Look at her hands. She doesn't know what to do.
This is Mommy's cooking. What do you think about it?
She's licking her lips. Yummy.
You want some more of Mommy's cooking? Is that good, huh?
Aww. She's looking so, like, scared.
This is Mom's special.
Oh, are you helping with the spoon?
That's Mom's special. Oh, you can't wait to have Daddy's cooking, huh?
Yummy. Mmm.